You work for money. You chase money. You worry about money. But what is money, really? Money feels real, solid, powerful, but its power comes from something invisible. Money has no value on its own. A piece of paper, a number on a screen. It cannot feed you. It cannot protect you. Yet it controls lives. Money works because we agree it works. It is a shared belief, a global agreement. The moment trust disappears, money loses its power. Before money, people traded goods, food for tools, work for shelter. Money was created to simplify exchange, but over time, it became something else. Today, money is not just a tool, it is a system, and every system has rules and controllers. Most people think governments print money, but real control happens elsewhere. At the center of the system are central banks. They decide how much money exists, how expensive money is, how fast or slow the economy moves. Institutions like the Federal Reserve influence markets not with force, but with decisions. A single announcement can move trillions, not because money changed, but because expectations changed. Here is what most people never learn. Most money is created as debt. When banks issue loans, new money is created. Debt fuels growth. But too much debt creates pressure. And pressure always demands a price. People don't fail because they're lazy. They struggle because they don't understand the system. Inflation reduces purchasing power. Interest rates shape opportunity. Policies affect everyone, even those who never voted for them. Money rewards understanding and punishes ignorance. Money is not evil, but it is powerful, and power without understanding always controls those who ignore it. This is MoneySays. We don't sell dreams. We explain the system. Subscribe to understand money.